What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at the Fenty Slim Shell for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Let's check it out. So I'll leave a link below to this case. This is the Fenty Slim Shell. I picked this up on Amazon. Now, not a whole lot of cases out there for this tablet, so I needed something to protect it. Get this little card in here, put all that to the side, and this is the actual case itself. So right here you get your Fenty logo, you get a little cutout for the pencil, and you get a hard TPU back here. Hard backing, hard edges. Let's go ahead and drop the tablet in and see what we think. So I'm gonna take the S Pen off. I'm just gonna drop this in, make sure it snaps all the way around. And first thing I always look for is that auto sleep wake feature. So we're gonna close it, we're gonna open it. We're gonna close it, we're gonna open it. Auto sleep wake is a go. Now, pencil is not protected on the back, but it does snap in there. Now I'm looking for a case that will actually kind of hug this pencil. The camera is nice and open right there in the back, and if you look, the camera is nice and protected. Your buttons are open. Your button nice and open on the side right there. Down bottom, you got your speakers nice and open, as well as up top, speakers look good there. Like I said, pencil sticks out on the back. Hard rubberized edges, Fenty logo on the front. Let's check our orientations. So you can stand this up, just like that. Move the stand out of the way, and you get a typing mode, just like that. Snap shut. Is it magnetic? Yes. Well, slightly magnetic. It does hold for a minute, but then it flops open. But I think if you're carrying it around like this, it'll still be good enough. The magnet is still strong enough to hold it steady. Nobody's holding their tablet like this, but if you have it in this orientation, it's going to be good enough to hold it steady, hold it shut while you're walking around from class to class. If you're in office meetings, things of that nature, it's going to be a nice little accessory to have for that tablet. Especially seeing that there are not that many cases out there right now. I think Fenty is a pretty decent company and they make some pretty good designs. I really like the hard edges. Gonna keep them from getting bent up, busted. Auto sleep wake, like I said, is on deck. This tablet case is a go. Nice, slim, and portable. So I'll be sure and drop that link below so you can check this out. You can pick this up for about 10 bucks on Amazon. Remember, this is the Fenty Slim Shell. I'll leave that link below. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.